Umwe wa mihiga minene iria arĩithia mahiũ kaunti-inĩ ya Isiolo mageragira ni nyama ciao gũthũka rĩrĩa maciĩthĩnja nĩ ũndũ wa kwaga njĩra nginyanĩru cia kũmithia nyama icio. No rĩu kwĩna kĩĩrĩgĩrĩro kũrĩ arĩithia aya thutha wa University ya Nairobi ũnyitanĩri-inĩ na gĩkundi kĩa Ewaso Ng'iro North Development Authority kuruguria mũbango ũrĩa ũratũmĩra macini irahũthĩra hinya wa riũa kũmithia nyama. Dr. Catherine Kunyanga ni mũtaaramu wa science ya irio kuma university-inĩ ĩno ya Nairobi.
We've come to train in Isiolo on value addition and processing of meat. Today we've made camel sausages, we've done koche, commercialized koche, we've done a tripe product called ready to eat tripe meat roll, and now as you can see we have a solar dryer here, and with these technologies you can preserve meat for 1 year and commercialize it and market.
Agitariria Kunyanga augite technology no ni iguteithiriria muno makiria ikiringithanio na kumithia nyama na riũa.
So this solar panel is what is driving the fans beneath here, and therefore the fans will drive hot air straight to the product, takes out the moisture, the product is dry, then the cold air goes out.
Mwena-inĩ wao arutwo kuma university-inĩ ya Nairobi na arĩa marateithĩrĩirie gũthundũra teknolojĩ ĩno makauga hena bata wa arĩithi angĩ aingĩ makiria guthomithio njĩra cia kĩrĩu cia kũgitĩra nyama kumana na gũthũka.
So I was able to establish that there's actually market for this product, but the problem is the product is not, like, there's need for awareness because the product is just known by the communities. So for the other communities, they are not aware of the product.
A lot of byproducts, specifically bovine tripe, goes into waste because of traditions, cultures and religion in this particular area of study, and therefore I went ahead to figure out how those tribes can be utilized to minimize the post-slaughter losses.
Nao aikari arĩa maragunĩkire na mũbango ũcio maraukenerera.
Sisi tuna deal na mambo ya nyama nyiri na tulikuwa tunafanya kienyeji, tulikuwa tunaweka kwa jua, lakini leo tumefurahia sana kwa sababu ya hii panel tumeletewa na tumefundishwa, tumesoma mengi, tumefundishwa vile ambaye tutachanganya kwa nyama ambaye itakuwa tamu zaidi na itakuwa preservative.
Teknolojĩ ĩyo ya kũmithia nyama no ĩige nyama itegũthũka kwa ihinda rĩa kinya o mwaka ũmwe. Kiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Joseph Wachira.